Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see chapter 5 pronouns. In this chapter, we will see what is a pronoun, the subject pronoun and object pronoun, and some rules to use pronouns. First of all, the definition of pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrases. Pronouns refers to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. Pronouns replaces nouns. A different pronoun is required depending on two elements: the noun being replaced and the function that noun has in the sentence. So dear students, understand that a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. Different pronouns we will use depending on two elements: the noun being replaced and the function that a noun has in the sentence. The most common pronouns are the personal pronouns, which refer to the person or people speaking or writing. That is called the first person. The person or people being spoken to, that is the second person, or other people or things, that is third person. We will see this first person, second person and third person in detail. Like nouns, personal pronouns can function as either the subject of a verb or the object of a verb or preposition. She likes him, but he loves her. Here in this sentence, we used four different pronouns: she, he, him and her. Most of the personal pronouns have different subject and object forms. We will learn about the personal pronouns in detail. These are some examples of pronouns: he, it, you, I, they, we, whom, him and them. These are some examples of pronouns. Just before, we said that the pronoun can be act as a subject pronouns or object pronoun. Look here. If the pronoun is as subject, I and we, that is first person singular and plural. First person singular is I and first person plural is we. If the pronoun is as object pronoun, then this I will change into me and we will change into us. The first person singular I will change into me and the first person plural we will change into us. Now see the second person. Second person singular you. Second person plural you. That will remain same as in object pronouns too. But just take care whether the pronoun is used as a subject or object in the sentence. Now see third person. Third person singular he, she, it and third person plural they. When these pronouns come as an object pronoun, then it will change into him, her, it. The third person singular he, she, it will change into him, her and it. The third person plural they will change into them. See here, you can easily understand. I will change into me, you will remain you, he will change into him, she will change into her, it will remain same it, we will change into us, they will change into them and one will remain same. In order to understand subject pronouns and object pronouns, we will go through some examples. Look here. Can you help me? Me, it is object pronoun. I know you, object pronoun, that you is used there as an object. She isn't in love with him, that him is a object pronoun. He phones her every day. In this sentence, he is the subject pronoun and her is the object pronoun. I don't like it. I is the subject pronoun and it is the object pronoun. Wait for us, object pronoun us. Call them this evening. Them, the object pronoun. So here pronouns can be used as a subject pronouns and also as object pronouns. Look into these sentences. Billy Gray and I were playing poker with friends. Here, Billy, Gray and I, we can replace that three nouns with a pronoun we. We were playing poker with friends. Ellie loves watching movies. We can change that noun Elise into pronoun she. She loves watching movies, especially if they are comedies. Elise, that noun we changed into she. Movies, that noun also we changed into they. Will Daniel be going to the circus with Sarah? Here, Daniel, that noun, and Sarah, that noun. Both the nouns we can change into he and her. Will he be going there with her? Now see one another example in paragraph. Barbara went to the restaurant for dinner with her friend. She was very hungry, but her friends would not stop chatting. Eventually, Barbara decided to take matters into her own hands, and she demanded that they stop talking. In this paragraph, in order to refer Barbara, we used two different pronouns, she and her. Try to understand the occasions which we changed the pronouns. Now see some rules of pronouns. A personal pronoun work in place of a noun. The number, gender and person of the pronoun must be according to the noun only. See this example. Sida loves his husband. That is incorrect. Sida is a female. Sida loves her husband. So we should consider the gender. If the talking noun is male, we should use a pronoun accordingly. The second rule, when there are two or more singular nouns are joined by and, the pronoun for them always in plural number. Look into this example. Rohan and Ram has lost his books. Incorrect. His, that is a singular form. Here we are talking about two people. Rohan and Ram has lost their books. That is the correct usage. Like this, there are lots of rules that we want to keep in mind when we are using pronouns. The rest of the rules we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.